naik kapal laut, nabrak orang. 3, 2,
1, 2, 3. Kalau pesona hati tepuk tangan.
Ini anggotanya datang. Berapa 2 lagi? Oke, saya ulangi teman-teman. Baik asisten maupun fasilitator, ada 3 ruangan di dalam satu kotak ini. Sebelah kanan itu ruang 1, di tengah ruang 2, dan di sebelah sana sebelah kiri itu ruang 3. Tolong diingat, nanti ada komando ruang 1, 2, dan 3. Jangan salah masuk ruang komando, teman-teman. Asisten lengkap. Fasilitator. Oke, baik. Teman-teman. Dalam hitungan 3. Hei.
Bang, kenapa?
Nah,
Bang.
ya, ini cara refleks yang paling penting. Ada yang tidak mendengar suara dari toa ini. Ada yang nggak dengar suara dari megafon ini. Tolong refleksnya teman-teman nanti dicepetin. Oke, azam sudah bisa masuk ke lokasi di ruangan 2. Tolong buat lingkaran besar di ruangan 2.
You got me, baby, I got your back. Looking at you, thinking about all of the ways that you know me.
Oke, ruangan sudah jadi, lingkaran sudah jadi, kawan-kawan. Gak apa-apa kan? Masih bersaudara. Ayo lah, berpegangan dulu, gak apa-apa.
Know me, I can't get enough.
Hari ini tanggal berapa? Ada yang nggak ngomong. Hari ini tanggal berapa? Hari ini tanggal berapa? 23. Hari ini tanggal berapa, Pak? Hari ini tanggal berapa? Sepakat ya. Sepakat hari ini tanggal 22. Kawan-kawan, hari ini tanggal 22, tepatnya hari Kamis, digosok. Kita tim Korkot Subulussalam melakukan outbound untuk memperkuat silaturahim antar kita. Di acara ini semua berperan. Tolong partisipasi dari teman-temanku. Ya, kelihatan yang kreatif ya. Jadi teman-teman, perlu saya sampaikan kepada seluruh teman-teman, jangan ada luka. Yang pasti tolong didengarkan suara yang tidak pun. Acaranya tidak lama, insya Allah kita selesaikan jam 12 siang. Dan kita terus berada di dalam kota ini. Jadi yang ingin saya sampaikan ke kawan-kawan, kita satu tim keluarga besar. Ya, kita satu tim keluarga besar. Dari pegangan tangan, coba pegangan tangan. Hari ini dipegang, dirasain tuh tangan temennya. Beneran, tolong dirasain tangan temennya. Setelah dirasa, coba buat teman-teman sebelah kanannya itu, sebelah kirinya agak ditekan-tekan dikit. Agak ditekan dikit. Ya, setelah ditekan, tekanannya harus komitmen tambah kuat. Tambah kuat. Harus komitmen tambah kuat. Ayo, tekan tambah kuat. Tambah kuat. Ayo. Ada yang nggak mau neken ya? Ada yang nggak mau neken. Kawan-kawan jangan ada sungkan. Kalau memang sungkan, yang perempuan bergeser yang sebelah perempuannya ya. Kalau memang tidak mau menyentuh laki-laki, ayo cari waktu. Halo Mbak Yan. Ya. Tidak apa-apa Mbak Yan, ada ibu. Hari ini kita anggap naik kapal laut. Naik kapal laut itu ada belok kanan, ada belok kiri, ada ombak tinggi, ya. Apa lagi? Ada ombak besar, ada angin. Oke, kita coba susun dulu. Naik kapal laut, belok ke kanan. Kawan-kawan silakan belok ke kanan. Belok ke kiri. Ombak kiri. Ombak bergoncang. Nanti akan ada nabrak arah. Pada saat nabrak arah, kawan-kawan jadikan 4 orang dalam satu kelompok. Begitu ada cerita nabrak arah, silakan berkumpul menjadi satu kelompok dalam 4 orang. Yang tidak dapat bagian berarti kurangnya respon dan tidak mendengar arahan. Oke, ada yang ditanyakan? Kalau tidak ada yang ditanyakan, kita segera mulai acaranya. Naik kapal laut, belok ke kanan, belok ke kiri, ombaknya tinggi. Naik kapal laut, ombaknya tinggi. Nabrak arah. Ya, balik lagi naik kapal laut, kita foto temenin saya. Balik lagi. Biarin foto sama saya. Bang Pudu deg-deg aja. Saya tadi bagian ya, ada perempuan yang ada tempat makan. Tapi ternyata Bang Pudu, nggak apa-apa. Dan kalau perempuan tidak ada pasangan, kita akan selamat mengenang. Baik, abang udah bisa gabung kan? Oke, kita mulai aja lagi.
I know you told your friend you're not okay, and tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. And guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I've known you too long, it hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to gray as you fade away, as you fade away.
Yeah, I'm about to fade away, cause every time I wake up I feel like it's Monday. Something's going wrong with all the chemicals up in my brain. All of a sudden I don't look at anything the same way. Got a build up of my thoughts sitting in an ashtray. I'm sorry that I'm so inconvenient, okay. Just let me be me and I'll stay out of your way. I can see the way you look at me, I'm such a disgrace. I never really asked to be brought into this place. You wanna love me? Well then baby I have a taste. All the highs and the lows, no you'll never be the same. I don't really wanna hurt you but I can't control the pain. If you're sticking by my side, maybe we could be okay. Okay, maybe you could be the change I need today. I promise that I've never felt this way. I really hope that you will choose to stay through all the pain.
I know you told your friend you're not okay, and tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. And guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I've known you too long, it hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to gray as you fade away, as you fade away. You're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I've known you too long, it hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to gray.
Make all the demons quiet, yeah. We were built to thrive, yeah. I think that we've all had enough. What keeps you up at night, yeah. Make all the demons quiet, yeah. We were built to thrive, yeah. I think that we've all had enough, yeah. I think that we've all had enough. Sick of dealing with the old plan. They know that we're calling it wrong. You got me like, oh yeah. I think that we've all had enough. Sick of dealing with the old plan. They know that we're calling it wrong. Hey, it's too late to try to go contain it. A generation fueled by creation. We live lives on a small screen nation. We control the airwaves, no negotiation. I refuse to think we need saving. Something good will come from creation. And when we think that the world is too anxious, we'll adapt, evolve, survive and save it. What keeps you up at night, yeah. Make all the demons quiet, yeah. We were built to thrive, yeah. I think that we've all had enough. What keeps you up at night, yeah. Make all the demons quiet, yeah. We were built to thrive, yeah. I think that we've all had enough, yeah. I think that we've all had enough. Sick of dealing with the old plan. They know that we're calling it wrong. You got me like, oh yeah. I think that we've all had enough. Sick of dealing with the old plan. They know that we're calling it wrong. Hey, oh yeah. I think that we've all had enough. Sick of dealing with the old plan. They know that we're calling it wrong. You got me like, oh yeah. I think that we've all had enough. Sick of dealing with the old plan. They know that we're calling it wrong. I can feel the blood creeping up from the heathens. Got will, got fight, got pride, got reason. If they wanna go eat, then you know I'm gon' feed them. If you're coming for me, hope you're ready for a demon. I got eyes in the back of my head, I'm seeing. Take me for granted and you know I'm leaving. I'ma take what's mine with the webs I'm weaving. I could take this crowd from seeing to believing. Got a taste for blood and my tongue keeps bleeding. From the words I spit, so sharp, so freezing. So cold, behold, frostbite they feeling. I could tear you apart or I could go heal them. Don't believe in fate, don't believe in ceilings. I just need a taste and my mind starts peeling. I don't pace myself, I grind on kneeling. Got lust for change, I just love the feeling. I ain't gonna give up. Got too little time, I'ma live up. Head down, push forward through the tough times. Cause anything worth doing is a tough climb. And I ain't gonna give up. Got too little time, I'ma live up. Head down, push forward through the tough times. Cause anything worth doing is a tough climb. Cause I'ma live life for the fight, yeah, I'm here to get it. I got drive, got sight, always have a vision. I go by at night, I be in my feelings. I'ma be fine, need time and I'll soon be winning. I live life for the fight, yeah, I'm here to get it. I got drive, got sight, always have a vision. I go by at night, I be in my feelings. I'ma be fine, need time and I'll soon be winning. I can feel the blood creeping up from the heathens. Got will, got fight, got pride, got reason. If they wanna go eat, then you know I'm gon' feed them. If you're coming for me, hope you're ready for a demon. I can feel the blood creeping up from the heathens. Got will, got fight, got pride, got reason. If they wanna go even when you feel low, you can still go. Even when you feel slow, you can still go. Even when there's no hope, you can still go. I never answer to no, man, I still go. Go, 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 yo, go, go, go. Hustle hard, hustle every single day. I'll be making moves till I'm buried in my grave. To the system, I don't wanna be a slave. I've been doing shit my way, or the highway. Ain't And in the driveway is a nice range, cause I grind through the climb, I invite pain. You'll never hear me, bitch, nah, I don't complain. Just gotta flip the switch and you can go and obtain anything you want, anything you need. Your mind's got the key ingredient, it's belief. They'll deceive with the negativity, but I just slide right by that energy. Even when you feel low, you can still go. Even when you feel slow, you can still go. Even when there's no hope, you can still go. I never answer to no, man, I still go. Go, 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 go. You got a mind, but even that could change. You could flip the gray matter like some batter in your brain. That's why they say, fake it till you make it A. And if you play that game, then you just might make a change. Rearrange all the bad to okay. Take the worst thoughts saying, turn them to a game. Take the best thoughts saying, put them on display. On repeat in your brain till you're feeling no more pain. Never slow yourself down, you can do some more. Push past all the pain and you'll find a door. Open it up and finally explore everything that you thought you could never do before. And even when you feel low, you can still go. Even when you feel slow, you can still go. Even when there's no hope, you can still go. I never answer to no, man, I still go. Go, 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 go. Even when you feel low, you can still go. Even when you feel slow, you can still go. Even when there's no hope, you can still go. I never answer to no, man, I still go.
Ada yang pas, ada yang pas. Ayo, takut banget saya deketin. Ada yang pas. Ada yang pas. Ayo, depannya dia. Depannya dia. Halo. Kita maju. Kita maju. Kalau nggak maju nanti dikasih jamu. Ayolah, jalan. Sekarang yang maju, kenapa jalan satu?